Yo, it's Shay's word up. This the market master plan. Stop chasing tickers like a bunny, understand? The bottom's buying strategy is how you get the gains. Read the charts and learn to recognize the simple patterns. Shay's patience-based trading. No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find a purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to go over stocks to buy right now. They have very good risk to reward ratio. Now keep in mind, Trump can send a tweet and bam, you go down anyway, so you gotta have a stop loss. It's a bear market. We're trying to time not the bottom but a temporary relief rally. In order to make money in a bear market, you gotta time the relief rally, the bounces, the recovery from after a huge dump like we've been getting. So what I'm looking at here is AITX. That's a risky penny stock play, but look for some support here coming up. It is trying to hold here at 4 to 5 cents. If it doesn't hold here, we would expect it to come down to 2 cents, 2 to 3 cents. So let's see. We've come down, right? I told you guys, these penny stocks, they're just pump and dumps. When it pumps huge, if you're not in it, stay away from it, let it come down, then buy cheap. So keep an eye on this one for a potential bottom. Again, penny stocks, very risky, but man, can you make hundreds of percentages, right? Because it went from 2 cents to 12 cents. Incredible. But you got to be, willing to follow the game plan. Another one to keep an eye on here is BitF, another risky penny stock. 2 cents, not 2 cents, $2. It's anything under $5 is considered a penny stock and risky. But yeah, same thing, same exact setup, right? We got a bottom down here at 1.68. If it's gonna find a bottom here, I would say buy at high 1.8s or 1.9s with a stop loss at 1.82. If 1.82 is the bottom, then it's a very good risk to reward, right? You either lose like 3 to 4%, or this gets a nice relief rally up and you can make 4 to 5% and possibly 18 to 20% if it goes back to the top of the range, because it's in a range. So right, it's buy low, sell high, not buy high, hope it goes higher. That's how you end up holding the bag or losing unnecessarily. I will never understand the people who buy high hoping it goes higher. I don't get it. But again, a lot of setups right now in the market, very good risk to reward ratio, or about to get very good risk to reward. I can't even talk. Risk to reward ratio. There's another one here. No, I'm not going to talk about Nightscope. Nightscope can suck it. Yeah, not Nightscope. But there's another one here that was on my radar. Wrecker stock, another one, right? Another penny stock, another stock under $5, and it is so cheap, right? It came up to 1.07, and now it's back down here in the 70s. So I think buying here with a stop loss at 0.71 would be ideal, and you would look to take profit on the relief, right? We're looking for the relief here to 92 cents, 16%. If it goes to 82, 86 cents, 8%, and if it goes back to $1, 31%. So that's the beauty of penny stocks is, there's you can grow your account pretty healthily at the cost of more risk, of course. Let's not pretend that there's no risk. So that's another one to keep an eye on. And again, we're looking at penny stocks because that's what's going to help small accounts grow. We don't really care about anything else. Rich Tech Robotics, let me just check if this has found support. I would say Rich Tech Robotics, if it closes today above 1.90, I think it would be a buy with a stop loss at 1.88. And look to take profit at $2.10 and then $2.30. So there's potential again for quite a bit of money. When stocks get cheaper, when they move, even 20 cents, 30 cents, they can, you can make significant return. So that's another one to keep an eye on. And I think that's it for penny stocks. Again, we're focused on penny stocks because those are the ones that can make you quite the return very quickly, at the risk again of losing quite a bit. Sybil. I don't really want to talk about Sybil because Sybil's not ready yet. Sybil is finding support here, 002s, which is nice to see that it's finding support here. But I would wait for 0009, 0011, and just buy and sit on it. Too many people, man, I'm going to say this before I go. Too many people, they want to buy a penny stock and immediately it goes up 100%. Like they want to buy and make 100% every week on a penny stock. That doesn't make sense. That's not going to happen. That's delusional. The reality is you can make hundreds of percentages on penny stocks, but you got to buy at the bottom nice and cheap and sit on the position. You just got to wait, right? If you don't got the patience, I don't know why you're in the markets. You want to make hundreds of percentages, yet you don't want to wait for that to come, for that to happen, for that to play out, right? You can see here plenty of 100% pumps, 100%, hundreds of percentages of pumps, huge runner, your 10x plus, another huge pump here, mini pump. This thing, when it does get going, it can run. I mean, it recently ran 300% on no news, just on the whole, war thing. When this does get news at some point, it'll get a nice big run, and you'll make the easiest 300 to 800%. This thing, I've been training it forever. It always comes down to the bottom, and it always pumps. So until it breaks that pattern, abuse it, but don't buy expecting it to immediately move 100% just because you bought it. Like, that's just so dumb. I don't understand. You can see very clearly, like, it can take months, if not 6 to 8 months for another pump to happen. I mean, the last pump happened in April 21st of 2025. We got a pump here in February 18th. So, you can do the math on that. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. It took 10 months since the last pump to finally get another pump. So even if Simple Stock only gets one big pump a year, the fact that you know that, the fact that you have that data, the fact that you know, hey, this penny stock, yeah, it only pumps once a year, but when it pumps, it can go 300% plus. So if you got the patience, you get rewarded. And if you don't, I guess you buy in and then sell it off because it's not moving fast enough for you, I guess. But that's just stupid. You should have already known ahead of time, oh, this is a moneymaker, you just gotta wait. Alright guys, I'll leave it at that. See you guys in the next one.